southeastern New York until 8:30 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Highland Lake or near West Milford, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
This might go off in under your
damage to trees and power lines.
on WX260.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Upper Greenwood Lake around 7:40 p.m. Warwick around 7:50 p.m. Greenwood Lake around 8 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Double header! What is this diabolical? Another SVR.
Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Orange County in southeastern New York until 8:15 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Monticello, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newburgh, Walden, New Windsor, Gardnertown, Montgomery, Orange Lake, Cliff, Vales Gate, Ball Hill, Cornwall on Hudson, Maybrook, Pine Bush, Circleville, and Beauville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Triple header, what the hell?
Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 8 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Highland Lake or near West Milford, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles.
First ever triple header on the channel,
Wind
guys.
damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Hamburg, Sussex, Highland Lake, and Vernon Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Imagine we get a whatever, like, after header.
You're listening to Noah's All Hazards Radio, station KWO 35 in New York City. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO 35 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The coastal moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris would be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Somerville, Somerset, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, North Brunswick, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Benville, Flemington, Millstone, Flagtown, Clover Hill, Belle Heath, Martinsville, North Brunswick Township, Sands Brook, Kendall Park, Raritan, and Southbound Brook. This includes Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 10 and 19. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, and Somerset. National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey.
I forgot to turn this.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island in New York out 20 nautical miles. New York Harbor thunderstorms were located along the line. At 1:32 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 40 nautical miles northwest of Herring Bay to 20 nautical miles west of South Amboy to 29 nautical miles west of Pine Beach. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. Stronger thunderstorms will be near. Raritan Bay around 2:05 a.m. Kingsburg around 2:15 a.m. Lower New York Harbor, the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, and Upper New York Harbor Bridge, and Upper New York Harbor around 2:20 a.m. Sandy Hook Bay around 2:25 a.m. Rockaway Inlet around 2:30 a.m. Jamaica Bay around 2:35 a.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, tornado warning for East Central Hunterdon County. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Eastern Upton, New York, has issued northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Central Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, New York Manhattan County in southeastern New York, until 2:45 a.m. At 1:38 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Carly on to Bellevue to near Bordentown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plainfield around 1:55 a.m. Clark around 2 a.m. Linden and Summit around 2:05 a.m. Elizabeth and Huguenot around 2:10 a.m. Newark and Bayonne around 2:15 a.m. Bloomfield and Harrison around 2:20 a.m. Jersey City and Patterson around 2:25 a.m. Flatbush and Ridgefield around 2:30 a.m. Hackensack and Ridgewood around 2:35 a.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Passaic, and Union. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:41 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Lebanon to near Flagtown to Rocky Hill, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile
Considerable
homes,
tree
roofs,
damage.
and outbuildings.
Damage is likely to mobile homes.
Impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Morristown,
impacted
Somerville,
include
Somerset,
New Brunswick,
Edison, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick,
Edison,
Sayreville,
Old Bridge,
North Brunswick,
East Brunswick,
Carteret, Madison, Middlesex, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Boundbrook, and Manville. People at the Live Golf should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 13. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 20 and 42. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 40 and 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 53. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 121 and 134. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset. County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 2:15 a.m. At 1:49 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bridgewater, or near Somerville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Morristown, Madison, Florham Park, East Hanover, Chatham, Far Hills, Millington, Basking Ridge, Watchung, and Hanover Township. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 31 and 43. Interstate 80 in New Jersey near mile marker 46. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 21, between mile markers 25 and 30, in between mile markers 34 and 36, and near mile marker 38. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris and Somerset. The severe thunder. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, central Westchester County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, western Suffolk County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 3:15 a.m. At 2:15 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mountain Lakes to Elizabeth to East Freehold, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Flatbush and Ridgefield around 2:25 a.m. Mott Haven and Hackensack around 2:30 a.m. Flushing and East Tremont around 2:35 a.m. Jamaica and Yonkers around 2:40 a.m. New Rochelle and Valley Stream around 2:45 a.m. White Plains and Long Beach around 2:50 a.m. Freeport and Port Chester around 2:55 a.m. Stamford and Levittown around 3 a.m. Huntington Station and Huntington around 3:05 a.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging wind and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The coastal watch at 8:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Carmel, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Danbury, Southbury, Mahopac, Lake Carmel, Sherman, Brewster, Newtown, Ridgefield, Monroe, Bethel, Wilton, Brookfield, Fairfield, Weston, and Reading. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National